Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing a new Boxycharm. This is February 2019. Let's get her open. This is the Afterglow box. Alright, let's see what is in here. First we have a jar of No Problem Primer from Touch and Soul. This is a smooth and pore covering primer. And it is $18 US. Interesting. The jar did seem to be maybe a little bit not fully closed, but I think overall we're doing okay. Ooh, it's like a really thick gel almost. It's like jelly, but not wet feeling. It's almost like a dry gel. Interesting. We'll have to see what that is like. This is made in Korea. I don't know if Touch and Soul is actually Korean or based in Europe. Next, we also have a Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleaner. This guy retails for $22 US. I believe a few months ago, wasn't it the Pharmacy brand that gave us the cleansing balm, which I really enjoyed. I'm still using that up. So I am expecting good things from this as well. It says it's an ultra gentle facial cleansing gel that washes away surface oil, impurities, and pollution residue and makeup while nourishing skin with honey and hyaluronic acid. If it can take off makeup at the same time that it cleanses my face, double bonus. Okay, here we have Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced. You guys know I'm not a huge fan, although I've never had a full size before. It's really heavy feeling, really metallic feeling, but I might actually just end up giving this away to a friend because, yeah, I'm not a huge fan of this formula. But you know, maybe I can give the full size a try. Sometimes people do say the full size and the minis are a slightly different formula, so I'll stew on this a little bit. We'll see. The Better Than Sex Mascara is $24 US. Here is, oh my god, not my first Tristique product, but I think this is my first full-size Tristique product, if I'm not mistaken. And this is the English Rose Prime and Color Lip Glaze. And of course Tristique has the super adorable packaging with a magnetic closure. It says primer inside. Oh, it's just a little lip balm type thing. Does it come up? Yep, it comes up. And very interesting tip on this side. Not a ton of product in there, but it looks like a nice color. This is $25. Are they still at Sephora? I don't know. I feel like this is, again, one of those beauty box brands that you only really see in beauty boxes. And finally, we have another product from Pretty Vulgar quickly turning into a beauty box brand. This is highlighter. Oops, got some on my thumb. This is in the color Shimmering Swan 41 Glimmer of BS. What? Probably can't really see it. Ooh, it looks pretty. Ooh, it looks really nice on my skin. Really don't need another highlighter. This packaging feels so cheap and plastic. It reminds me of a full Physicians Formula packaging. I just got a Jouer compact from Beautylish. And this feels so much more deluxe than Pretty Vulgar. This guy retails for $32. You get 6 grams of product, and the packaging is beautiful, but it feels like dollar store makeup. And that is everything in the box this month. So let's review here. We got a highlighter, a face cleaner, a primer, the Tristique lip product, and the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. I will say it's really nice not to have an eyeshadow palette. kind of give you room to breathe. And I'm pretty sure this is like a lifetime supply of primer. Alright, let's take a look back at last month's box and see what I thought about the products there. Starting with the Rezarco Milk Leave-In Conditioner. I don't know what to tell you guys. Rarely will you ever come across a leave-in conditioner that I don't like, whether it be dollar store or super expensive. So I like it. Not a huge fan of the scent, but it's fine. I like it. Next, the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lip. You guys saw last month was a bit of a disaster when I wore it with a lip gloss over top. I've tried it a few other times. Sans lip gloss, and it's worn really nicely. And of course, I love the color. Nice that Boxycharm didn't just give another nudie pink color. This eyebrow product, honestly, I haven't been using it. I've been really focused on using up the last little bit of my Anastasia pencil, which, let me show you how close I am. Like, my one end broke, and we've just got this much left to use up. I'm so close. You guys saw from last month I wasn't a huge fan of the undertones of this product, but I'll probably end up giving it another try. The Tatcha face masks, still haven't done a face mask Friday, but I'm still hoping to, so stay tuned for these. And finally, the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. Let me start with the good. I've dropped this, and it stayed completely intact. Good, solid packaging. I thought maybe the mirror would crack or the powders would shatter. The packaging is beautiful and good quality. It feels like a quality product. Now let's talk about the bad things. This is the most underwhelming eyeshadow palette I could have ever hoped to imagine. And I'm sure most likely for you as well. All of these colors swatched, even though they go from quite light to somewhat dark, they all pretty much swatch and look completely identical on the eye. I can't tell where I've applied what color. It's just so incredibly underwhelming. I think this would be good for like a face highlighting palette, if you don't mind a slightly more like glittery looking highlight, or a body highlight palette. You get one matte shade, which is underwhelming again, and I can't imagine paying any money for this at all. I think this is honestly the most disappointing product I've ever received. And I love Tarte. I use a lot of Tarte eyeshadow palettes on the regular, but this is just really sad. I do not like it at all. I don't know what else to tell you. I think it would be best if you were buying it for like a preteen or someone who didn't want to wear makeup, but like they really wanted to try makeup, but you're like, I don't want to get you makeup, so then you just bought them that eyeshadow palette and they thought it was amazing because there's lots of colors to play with, but they kind of all look the same anyway. And then they grow up and become jaded with makeup because like they have all these colors and none of them show up. That is a look at this month's Boxycharm and the previous month's Boxycharm. Overall, I think they were both really nice boxes. I think, like I said before, I'm up in March or May, so we only have a few boxes left. If you have any recommendations for what beauty boxes I should be trying next, let me know down below. I've also kind of been toying with the idea of getting a fashion type of box where like a stylist sends you a box full of clothes. So maybe we could try that. I don't know if there's any good affordable Canadian options, but that is why I rely on my beautiful subscribers to let me know this kind of information along with my own research. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. You can check out my whole Boxycharm unboxing playlist and my whole 1 year of beauty boxes subscription up in this playlist card here. Of course, I would like to thank all of my beautiful patrons who help bring this video content to you guys. Thanks to you for watching, and of course I will see you all in my next beauty video.